So there's a lot of debate between should we build a mobile web experience or should we build native app experiences, and oftentimes it's sort of this versus, like web versus native fight, with only one being a clear winner. And two things I think are important to think about that is, one, it's not a strategy to decide if you're going to build natively or web. It may be like a resource implementation issue or a technical training or those sorts of issues. There may be some strategic components to it, but the strategy is really like who are you doing, or what are you doing for who, why, and how does mobile fit into that role. And what you find is many effective mobile strategies actually embrace both parts of it. So they use the web for some things, they use native for other things, and it's really that collaboration that creates the right experience to meet, who are they, what are they doing, right? I don't know why I keep saying who. What are they doing for who and why? And I personally break it down to the web is great for reach. So the web is everywhere. It's on every platform, and it's getting better and better on every platform. Like the best browser from Microsoft is out. The best browser from Safari or from Apple is Safari. The best browser from Google is Chrome. So all these guys are investing heavily in making good web browsers, and they're on every platform. So if you want to reach lots of people everywhere, then you build for the web. However, because the web is intended to run everywhere, it has, sort of constraints. It is sandboxed a certain amount. It's not as fast paced. It doesn't get all the new stuff because it's got to be standardized. So you can't build as rich an experience on the web as you can in native. And so building for native is about richness because it's about using all the power of the operating system or of the device to make the best experience possible for people. And when you break it down that way, you can really see why there's a place for both, right? There's a place to reach a wide audience, and there's a place to create a really in-depth, great experience. And they're not mutually exclusive, right? They don't fight each other. In fact, building natively just sort of by default constrains your reach because you're native to only one platform. That's the whole point of that term. So instead of deciding this one versus that one, so instead of deciding this one versus that one, I think it really boils down to what does each one do well and how can I use it effectively for what I'm trying to achieve.